Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can log into your TikTok using a Facebook. To do so, first of all, you just have to open up your TikTok. And after opening up your TikTok, you need to go to your profile. And after you are on your profile, you can see that if you are not logged into TikTok, this kind of pop-up appear. Now, to continue with Facebook, you just have to click on continue with Facebook. That is the second option on your screen. After clicking on continue with Facebook, now you just need to input your Facebook credentials in order to log into your TikTok account. But if you are already logged into your Facebook account on your phone, it can also automatically register and create your account for you. Here you can see that it has created an account for me. This was for this video, and that's how you can create a TikTok account using your Facebook. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.